What's up guys, Big G here, back with another video. Today, this is just a video with me and my dad out on the kayaks on the water, seeing what we can catch. We didn't fish bank this time, but it still worked out. If you guys are looking for outdoors hats, boom, this is the one you want to get. We got snapbacks, flex fit, and we got colors orange, white, black, you name it. I'll leave a link in the description down below. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, turn on post notifications, and until next time, Big G's out. Peace.
Ooh, there we go. Big G's on, Dad's on. Alright. Well, there it is. Oh, look at Big G. There we go. I see the flash. I see that crappie flash. Yep. Oh, a nice little crappie flash right there. Here it is. Beautiful fish. Let this little guy go. See you later, buddy. What? Look at this guy. Oh man. Man, I can't even catch fish without this guy crossing me.
You didn't want to fish in my spot first.
I've been here, man.
You were all the way over there.
Man, you better cut it out.
And then I caught that crappie
Well,
that came all the way over here.
Well, you yelling now because you're scaring them. You're scaring the fish now. Follow the leader, the leader, the leader. Follow the leader wherever he may go. Where you taking me, bro? He had it.
Not a perch, I know.
He took off with that one. Over here talking. He took off. Of course you would do that.
No, you're photoshopping that camera because I am all the way over here.
Oh, there he is.
Dang it.
That's like a perch or bluegill. Oh yeah, that perch, he had it. Oh, look at that guy. That's a nice perch, man. Hey, perch are good eating. He's lucky we don't have the cooler. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's a good perch. There we go. Yeah. Take that perch. Oh, there we go. Oh. Come here, Joker. Oof. I'm telling you, man, I love catching these crappie. And there you go.
What?
There you go. There you go, buddy. There you go. Oh, that's a nice bass. There we go. All right, there you go. All right, buddy. There you go. Crappie.